This is spaghetti squash. There's a lot of different ways to cook it, but the easiest and the quickest way that I found is just to pop it in the microwave. So all you're gonna do is make 5 to 10 holes all the way around to let the steam out, and then put it in the microwave for 10 minutes. Sit in the microwave because the plate gets really hot and it's full of steam. Once it's cooled down, you should be able to cut into it. Get it open, you're just going to scoop out the guts of the inside. So anything that's a seed or attached to it is kind of slimy and you just want to get rid of it. So then you should kind of have like a hollow middle. And then you can just start forking the rest away. So all the spaghetti squash you see here is 240 calories, so 1 cup is about 40 calories. So you can give yourself a pretty big portion. And then you can really add anything to it that you want that you would add to normal pasta. A really good low-calorie option is just pasta sauce.